All right, class of 2022. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, 2014. This will be page 47 of your notes, and we're in our geometry unit, and we're going to move into area of shapes. This lesson should be a good review of what we've done in the past. Let's start off by giving a definition of area, and that's basically the amount of space that is inside a two-dimensional figure. And we measure area in square units. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 squared units are in this parallelogram there, or rectangle. If you look below, we know that we can find the area of any parallelogram by multiplying the base times the height. So area of a parallelogram would equal the base times the height. In this case, the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The height is 3. The equation says to multiply them, and we can get the area. When we do 3 times 5, we get 15, which we know is the correct answer. So let's go ahead and do a couple for practice. So find the area of each figure. Oh, better get my calculator here. Hang on. Alright, so the first example, we're going to take the base of 7.4. We're going to multiply it by the height of 4.5, and the area of this shape turns out to be 33.3 squared inches. For our next shape, we would take the base of 16 and multiply it by the height of 8, and we would get 108 squared meters for the area of that shape. And if we were to do it for the square, we know that all the sides are 3, so we would multiply 3 times 3 and we would get 9. There's no label, so we're going to say units squared. Alright, moving on to the other type of problem that we'll do in this lesson is not only can we find the area of parallelograms, but we can also find the area of triangles, and that is found by multiplying the base times the height and taking half of it. So another way of saying the area of a triangle is multiplying the base times the height and then dividing it all by 2. So if we were to find the area of the triangle below, 3 is our base, 4 is our height, so we would take 3 times 4 and get 12. We would divide that by 2, and the area of this triangle is 6 units squared. Alright, so you have your formulas for the area of parallelograms and the area of triangles. We're going to have you go ahead and solve those two shapes, find the area of each. Letter A is a parallelogram, letter B is a triangle. Have those ready for class tomorrow. We'll have a good discussion. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow.